There are various ways in which you can increase your crypto with Binance and a few other websites that I'm about to show you, so just hit that subscribe button and let's go and see these methods. You all know Binance.com and you know how good and how popular it is. It has a lot of users, it is a really good website, and you can do various stuff in here. Ethereum is really good nowadays on this website because Ethereum has been merged, and now you can just stake ETH on this website and get a lot of that APYs, okay? So for example, there are a few ways in which you can increase your earnings here on Binance. Of course, you can get it on the app. You can do this all from your phone. So if you want to do that, just download the app from Google Play or Binance App Store, and that's it. And you can see here, for example, these savings. This is like a basic savings account, which is similar to your bank savings account, okay? And BNB Wallet is, of course, multi-benefits savings account. And the thing with this one is that you can withdraw your money anytime, okay? So it doesn't get locked up. You will get your money back to you whenever you want to. But at the time that it is staked here on BNB Wallet, you get that increase, that commission or interest rate, if you like to call it that way. But of course, there is like staking, and staking is of course the most profitable way in which you can increase your currencies, okay? So you have some featured currencies in here, but you can do it with a lot of currencies. Just type it in here and then you can choose for yourself. Now, there is a differentiated rate for locked staking and DeFi staking. So with DeFi staking, you can get like more increase, and you can just do it with ETH and you will get 3.9% on it, or you can do it with Bitcoin if you like and you get 3.9%. Now, why I'm telling you this is because that if you just store your crypto in your spot wallet here on Binance, you won't get a lot of return because you don't stake it, okay? It's just gonna sit in your wallet there and it's not gonna make you any income, but these strategies can get you some for free if you just involve yourself. So just take a look at this. This is the newest technology, ETH 2.0, one-click staking rewards paid daily. So this allows you to get some rewards daily. So you don't have to wait for a month or a week or a year to get your staking rewards, okay? This is gonna just go each day, and that is really good. So you have your ETH increase as each day passes, and just take a look at this, guys, 5.20%. Now, this is really cool. Of course, the thing with ETH 2.0 staking is that your stake cannot be redeemed during the first phase. So it may take more than 2 years to redeem your funds. So this is like more long-term investment. So if you have some money and if you want to store it in ETH here on Binance and you don't want to touch it for 2 years, well, this is a really good opportunity for you because you're going to save that money, and after that, it will be worthwhile 5.20% more. And that's really good. If you have some savings account which you can transfer to ETH and then just hold it for 2 years, you'll get a lot of money for it. So the thing with this one is, for example, if you invest $1,000 and you want to stake it for 2 years, okay? Yearly income is 5.2%. So if you multiply this by 0.052, you get $52 on $1,000, okay? And this, of course, increases as more money is being put into that staking account. Of course, you can do this from wherever you live in the world, okay? So this works all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you come from. In fact, just write me down in the comments from which country are you coming from, so I can make some make money videos based on your region, based on your websites that you can access. But now, what if you don't have any initial investment to start with on this Binance.com website? Well, the thing you can do is you can go to pricerebel.com, where you can just take some surveys and you can earn these points and get some of that PayPal cash. Price Rebel is a really good website. Just take a look at the rating on Trustpilot. You can do various stuff in here and you will earn that money by completing some some short opinion surveys or easy offers, and you will of course redeem that. But what I like about this website is that it is pretty old, and this means that they have been in the business for a very long time, okay? And the thing that they exist nowadays is a good sign for us because they must have been doing something good in here. You can see that there are a lot of members who are in here, 12 million of them. And apart from that cash, you can even get yourselves like PS5 computers, you can get some Amazon gift cards. All in all, it's a good website to have in hand. But of course, if you want to get some crypto initially, so if you want to bypass that PayPal cash, you can just use quintiply.com, and of course you can use this from your phone as well. Just take a look at this, 500,000 downloads, and they have 4.4 out of 5. Now this only speaks for itself. You can just lay down on your couch, you can just pull out your phone and do these simple tasks, which are paying a lot, guys. Quintiply pays a lot, really. For surveys, it's amazing, guys. $5 for each survey you can get, and it only lasts 10 minutes. Just take a look at this. Your opinion is worth a lot, so you can earn from $1 to $5 for every online survey that you participate in. So you just have to use your keyboard and a mouse, and all of these surveys are for like 10 minutes maximum, so you can actually complete like 5 or 6 of these, but let's take 5. If you complete 5 of these per each hour, and you just get $5 for each one of those, that's $25 per hour for you for just completing surveys. Now that is a lot of money, guys, right? That's a lot of money. Just take a look at this. If you just do that for, I don't know, 4 hours per day, that's $100 for you. Just as they say, your opinion is worth a lot, guys. The more time you invest, the more money you're gonna get on this website. And you can even play some games in here. You can even watch some videos. That is my favorite option. And you can see the reviews on Trustpilot. 4.1 out of 5 people are really satisfied with this one. Just take a look at this. Quintiply is good for making crypto money. That's what we need. And all of these people are satisfied, and you're gonna be as well. For example, just take a look at how many users are on this website already. 3 million of them, and they all make some good money. They all enjoy these Quintiply features, and I like this one. For example, loyalty bonus increases your earnings to 100% if you just log in each day, and that's really cool. Now let me just show you when you get inside of Quintiply. This is your dashboard, and it might look like confusing or something, but don't you worry, this is very straightforward. It is user friendly. You can just go and earn coins, and then you can choose, for example, which one of these methods you want to get. So for example, view PDC ads. This is maybe the most easiest way to get some money on Quintiply because, for example, you can just view something for 5 seconds, as you can see, and you will get that money. So just click on view here. You will be redirected to a website which is being promoted, but you don't care what is on this website, okay? You just be here for 5 seconds, and that's all that you have to do, guys. After those 5 seconds have passed, you just have to validate your click. So you can select small lollipop, you can just do that, and that money has been transferred to you. And what you have to do when you are satisfied with the amount of money, just go on withdraw coins and choose the currency which you want to get. In this case, you can get Bitcoin, you can get Doge, Dash, Litecoin, so whichever one of these you want, you can get that. And of course, then go and do all of these offers and get more money for yourself.